BJP spokesperson M. Kharkrang today said that the party is optimistic of winning at least 15 seats in the upcoming assembly polls. Talking to media persons, Kharkrang said that the party is working hard to ensure that it wins the maximum number of seats. Earlier, he also said that the party's acceptability has increased in the state. The party leader also said that schemes like Focus and Focus Plus, under which an amount of rupees of 5,000 is being given to farmers, will not bring any positive result and rather it would make the state debt-ridden. On the recent controversy over a letter issued by Assam police inquiring about Christians, he said that the Assam Chief Minister has already clarified into the matter.
Right now, I can say that we have about 15 seats, which are very promising, and we are working hard for some more seats. And definitely, after the declaration of the candidates, then I can, with confidently, I can assure you that you will see after everything has been cleared up, the candidates been declared, you will see a sudden surge in the strength of the party.
Senior